Hi, today let's continue discussing archetypes. And archetypes are character types that represent universal ideas or themes. And today, let's talk about another archetype, which is the innocent. So, the innocent is an archetype. This is a character who is pure and naive, who represents goodness, optimism, and hope. Because in a world that is chaotic and can sometimes be dark, there really are people who are pure and innocent. And here we have Cinderella and various fairy tales as an example of an innocent archetype, because despite the traumatic, problematic childhood where she has grown up into, she manages to continue to be kind. And that's a different kind of strength, to continue to be kind in a cruel world. That's why Cinderella is an innocent. Another is in my favorite book, Harry Potter. Do you know who an innocent there? An archetype of the innocent? That would be Hagrid. Hagrid, that giant, is actually quite pure and naive from beginning to end. He continues to be good and kind. Hagrid.